show me loving.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to the part 2 of the makeup series. In this part, I will be teaching you how to do your contour, highlight and the blush. Before moving on, if you are new to this channel, then please do subscribe to my channel and also follow me on Instagram. With that, let's quickly begin with the video. So I have already done my base. Why do we contour, highlight and blush? Now this is only because you need to add some color to your skin, some color to your makeup, or it is going to look really dull. And you also need to illuminate your skin, and that is why you need to do all these 3 steps. Now the first step is the contour, and for this I'm using the Sugar Mini Bronzer, and this is a very warm bronzer, and I will recommend this for every beginner out there because this is the type of product you want. It is pigmented and also affordable for beginners. For beginners, I would recommend you to stay away from cream contour sticks because that you won't be able to do it in the first go, and just stick to powder products. This is a great bronzer. You have 2 shades in this. One is a little darker bronzer and this one is a warm bronzer. I prefer this one because the darker bronzer gives you very sharp contours. And basically we need to add a bronzer only to just warm up your face. For contouring, you can use any brush that you have, whichever you're comfortable with. Just make sure that it is going to get into the hollows of your face. You need a structure of your face like this so that you can contour your cheekbones. Now when contouring, you need to just remember the 3 rule, that is you need to take the contour or your bronzer from the forehead to your cheekbones into a 3 shape, and this is going to be really simple if you are a beginner. Next, you need to contour your jawline as well. Now this is to define the jawline and give you a very sculpted face. Now if you also have a double chin like me, then don't forget to take the contour under your chin and just contour over there. Also take it behind your ears as well. Now the last thing to contour is your nose. Now for this you need a flat brush. If you do not have a flat brush, you can also use a thin brush so that you can get to the sides of your nose properly. Now you need to take the contour under your eyebrows and then connect it to the nose. Now I'm going to use a concealer and I'm going to apply it onto the bridge of my nose. And then I'm going to blend this out. Then you can just sharpen the contours of the nose. This gives you an illusion of a slimmer nose. For the blush, I'm again using the Sugar blush. Now you can use a blush of your preference. It can be cream blushes, it can be tints. To apply a powder blush, you need a brush like this. Do not use a very fluffy brush because you will not be able to place the product properly onto your cheeks. I'm first going to apply the blush onto my temples and then go down to my cheeks. This makes sure that you use the maximum product on the temples and not on the cheeks. Also, this technique makes your face look lifted. I'm going to repeat the same thing on the other side as well. And then I'm also going to apply it onto my nose and my chin to complete the look. Now if you think the color on your face is too much, use a beauty blender to just smudge out the color and just make the color look even. For the highlighter, I'm going to be using the Swiss Beauty liquid highlighter. You can also use the Maybelline highlighter, which is the powder highlighter. If you do not own a highlighter, then you can even use a Vaseline or you can use a beauty oil. I'm going to be using this eye cream which I have made, and the ingredients will be listed in the description. So on one side of my face, I will be using the liquid highlighter. I'm going to take a little bit of the highlighter on my hand and then apply it onto my high points on the face with the help of my finger itself, and then smudge it till it just blends out into my face. I'm going to apply the highlighter also to highlight my brow bones, and then I will highlight my nose as well. Then I'm going to take a small brush and apply it onto the inner corners of the eyes. So this was the liquid highlighter. On the other side, I'm going to use this eye cream and use the same process to apply the highlighter onto the other side as well. And then I'm going to highlight my lips. Show me loving. That's the end of the video, guys. Stay tuned for the part 3 of this video, and I will see you in my next video. Bye bye. Build me up on the things I lack. I don't ever want